Okay, we designed the UI part, and now we would need to jump into backend or block. So we will go to the block. Here you can see all these components are available, and here you have some part like the control for logic, and you have here the logic for true, false, and so on. Mathematic, you can use these components. You can use a text, list, dictionary, colors, and so on. So we will not use all these parts definitely, but for some of this we will use it. The first item which we would need it, it's for list picker. So click on list picker. We would need a before, one for before and one for after. So before, when the list picker is connected, we would need to see the list of the Bluetooth. So in that case, we have the set list picker elements. We have to looking for the let's use this one, and then yes. So we will use this list picker elements, and then we need to connect with the Bluetooth client. Here, Bluetooth client, and looking for address is here. Okay, this is the first step. Then for after, we would need to use the logic of if and then. Then we will need a one Bluetooth connect address. Here, if Bluetooth connect address to list picker dot selection. We need another list picker. Oh, sorry. List picker selection. Let me use this and select the. If you cannot find it, just select one of them and then choose your item. So list picker selection. Here it will connect and to this list picker which we already connected. Then we need this set element again. And then here for Bluetooth is configured. We need another thing for error the Bluetooth. When Bluetooth got error, then they need to Bluetooth to disconnect. Then again we need a condition here and to say if not Bluetooth is connect. Then I want to make it as a disconnect. So in that case, I have the label Bluetooth status. Label Bluetooth status. So I need a label Bluetooth status text to make this text to the disconnect. So I'm going to the text, drop it here, make it this disconnected, and I want make this disconnected as a red. In that case, I'm using the text color. So text color to I'm going to the color, make it drag and drop here, red, make it dark red. Okay, then if you remember, I use the speech to text, so we can use that part as well to call text speech message, and let's copy and paste it to disconnected. And then we would need one item for the button of the disconnect as well. I think let me check whether I didn't rename here, so let's rename it btn disconnect. Then let's get back to the block part. btn disconnect, and when it's clicked, then call Bluetooth client disconnect, which we don't have. I need select here, call Bluetooth disconnect, and again we need this part as well. Just copy and paste. Okay, this is for the Bluetooth connect and also disconnect. So now we need to go for relay. First I will select the clock, and then I will drop the one logic here and to say that okay, Bluetooth is connect. I need this. If Bluetooth is connected, then I need this again, then set this one to connected, and for the color I need to make it as a gray. So here I make it as a green, a bit lighter, yes. Then let's make another condition here, and the same scenario for this. Then I need the same topic, and Okay, so if you remember, I had the two picture here, so I don't want this picture in beginning to be shown, only when the status will change to shown here. So I need to make these two picture invisible. So I am going to set this set image light on visible and set image light off visible, both false, because in home page shouldn't see this kind of the pictures. And then I have the button relay on, so when I click on this button, and then if this button, if Bluetooth is connected, then we need to call Bluetooth send text. Call Bluetooth send text, and then we would need to write it as a on. It will send the on text to the ESP32, and when it will receive on, it will trigger the relay as on. So in that case, set a relay status I need a relay status. Where is the relay status? Yes, label relay status. Then I need a set relay status text. This will send to the display as a relay is on, and set the color to the green, and for these two part I have set a relay. This one should be true and off should be false. And then we will jump to the button for the disconnect. Again, when button relay, I need a button relay. When button relay off click, then again the same scenario. I can copy this part and then I need to change it. Here I should make it off, relay is off. So this one is false, this one is true, and this is red.